How to define your curly wig.
Pretty much what the wig is looking like in its natural state. To define the curls, I'm going to go with some water, and then I also have this moisturizing lotion from Mielle, so I'm just going to add to the hair. Next, I'm going with some mousse, and I'm just going to add this all over the hair. And now you can take your Denver brush and just run it through the hair. Curls on this are super pretty. What the curls are looking like now that I'm done with defining, I'm just going to go in with my diffuser and let this hair dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be back. Alright y'all, now this is what the wig is looking like. I did end up doing a center part, I just wasn't feeling the side part like that. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like now that I finished with defining these curls, and y'all just look at how gorgeous this hair is. I absolutely love it.